Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 10 of the less than 1500 calories diet plan. For the morning breakfast, we are going to have bread omelette and it is approximately 220 calories. Along with bread omelette, we are going to have ginger tea. It doesn't have any calories unless otherwise you add some sweetener. So let us move on and prepare a bread omelette. For the omelette, we are going to take 1 egg. Into this, add a small piece of chopped onion, half green chilli, required amount of salt, and a huge pinch of cumin seeds. Now let us beat this well. Set this aside. Take a pan, add quarter teaspoon of ghee. Place 2 wheat breads on this and toast them. Breads are ready. Now add a little oil and pour the egg mixture. So here the omelette is ready. Let us fold it to the size of the bread. Now let us place the omelette in between the 2 toasted breads. Our bread omelette is ready. Now let us move on and do our ginger tea. For the ginger tea, add 1 cup of water in a pan. To this, add a pinch of tea and half an inch crushed ginger. Bring it to a boil and boil this for around 2 to 3 minutes. And here the ginger tea is also ready. We need 1 bread omelette and 1 teacup of ginger tea. Ginger tea doesn't have much calories, so you don't have to take it into account. But if you are adding any sweetness like honey, you have to add the calories. A teaspoon of honey has around 20 calories, so if you are adding honey, you have to add the calories too. 1 bread omelette has around 9.8 grams of protein, 7.3 grams of fats, 29.4 grams of carbohydrates and 4.1 grams of fiber. Moving on to the morning snacks, we are going to have some vegetable salad. This is around 195 calories. The recipe here is for 2 persons. Take a bowl, add half a cup of water. Into this, add quarter cup of green peas. Add the required amount of salt and cook the green peas until it turns soft. The green peas are ready. Set this aside. Now take a mixie jar, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 garlic cloves, required amount of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Close the jar. We are not going to grind this. We are going to pulse this for a few seconds. So here the salad dressing is ready. Set this aside. Now take a bowl, add 1 chopped cucumber, half a cup of sprouted green gram, 1 small chopped carrot, the cooked green peas, 1 chopped tomato, half an onion, few chopped mint leaves, and finally the dressing. Give everything a nice mix. So here the salad is ready. We are going to take a bowl of salad. 1 bowl of salad has 3.4 grams of proteins, 9 grams of fats, 23.9 grams of carbohydrates and 4 grams of fiber. Moving on to the lunch, we are going to have sprouted green gram rice and curd. It is around 247 calories. Let us move on and do our rice. We are going to do this in a pressure cooker, so pour some oil in the pressure cooker. To this, add 1 medium-sized sliced onion, few curry leaves, 1 or 2 green chilies, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything well. The onions has to turn translucent. To this add a quarter teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. The onions are translucent now. At this stage add one finely chopped tomato. Saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let us start adding the masalas. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and the required amount of salt. Saute till the raw smell of the masalas goes off. Next is chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, a handful each. Saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add 1 cup of sprouted green gram, that is sprouted moong dal. Saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next let us add the rice, 1 cup of parboiled rice. You don't need to soak the rice, you can clean it and add it directly. Saute this rice for a few more minutes. Sauteing the rice will enhance the taste and will give a nice texture for the rice. Now the water part, I am going to add 4.5 cups of water. Usually for 1 cup of parboiled rice, we used to add 3 cups of water. Here we have added green gram, so additionally I am adding 1.5 cups of water. So totally it is 4.5 cups. Bring it to a boil and close the pressure cooker. Pressure cook this for 4 whistles. So here the sprouted green gram rice is ready. Now give a light mix. Usually while pressure cooking the masalas will stay on the top, so give a light mix. Don't stir this forcefully and mash the rice. So here the rice is ready. We are going to take 1 bowl of green gram rice and half a cup of curd. 1 bowl of green gram rice has 6.6 grams of proteins, 3.6 grams of fats, 28.6 grams of carbohydrates and 3.5 grams of fiber, and half a cup of plain curd has 3.8 grams of proteins, 4.9 grams of fats, 3.7 grams of carbohydrates, and it doesn't have any fiber. Moving on to the evening snacks, we are going to have some black grapes. It is around 69 calories and we are going to take a cup of black grapes. It has to be this much. 1 cup of black grapes has 1.1 grams of proteins and it doesn't have any fat, and it has 16.1 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber. Our dinner is going to be ragi rotis and coconut chutney. The dinner calories is around 306. Let us move on and do our roti first. For the roti, take a cup of ragi flour. To this add half a cup of onions, few chopped curry leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and the required amount of salt. We are going to add water little by little and give this a nice mix. The batter we are going to prepare has to be little thick. It should not be like the idli or dosa batter. And at last your batter has to be like this. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. Wet your hands so that it will be easy for you to handle the batter. If your hand is wet, the batter won't stick to your hand. You have to take a small amount of batter and spread it like this. Take some time and cook both sides properly. So here the ragi roti is ready. Let us move on and do our chutney. For the chutney you need half a cup of chopped coconuts. Into this add quarter cup of dried gram, 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger, 1 garlic clove, the required amount of salt. You have to add little water and you have to grind this into a fine paste. So here the chutney is also ready. For the dinner we need 2 rotis and 3 tablespoons of coconut chutney. Our two ragi rotis has 4.8 grams of proteins, zero point 0.9 grams of fats, 47 grams of carbohydrates and 7.7 grams of fiber. 3 tablespoons of this coconut chutney has 1 gram of protein, 8.6 grams of fats, 2.7 grams of carbohydrates and 2.4 grams of fiber. So today our total calorie intake was around 1037. So we have maintained the calories and fulfilled our nutrients intake. Day 10 is over. Meet you on day 11 and don't forget to subscribe our channel.